So this is the Simply Gilded sub box for March. A real thick pack. It's decked out with fun stuff. Front of the tin, it's a B6 tin traveler's notebook. Inside, and it's really cute, really pretty. It's a beige color, and this is what comes in the sub box. These are washi cards, and I'm gonna try to show you each one of these, but unfortunately I didn't know the lighting was right in the middle of the washi cards, so you're unable to really admire the designs on it, but they're really pretty. They're similar to the stickers, flamingos and leaves. Now these are the stickers, the layout stickers. Let's see. Yeah, they come with boxes, half boxes, days of the week. Those are the half boxes in these beautiful bowls. I love these colors, coral and teals and yellows. Cute little journal card, the list of items that you receive. A B6 notebook. I believe she includes line, blank, or graph. I don't open them because I open them once I'm going to use them, which I am now with this traveler's notebook that she included in the sub box. I'm really excited about it. Here's the vellum that you put inside the traveler's notebook. Really pretty. And I forgot what they call this. It's not vellum. It's I forgot. I'm thinking about balloons right now. Mylar, but that's definitely not Mylar. A little cute tassel with the flamingos, flower branches, a teal pin with gold bows. Very pretty. Has a pearlescent teal. A glitter pin, gold. These are the small washies. Very pretty washies. I like this one. My favorite one is this one. It's really pretty. You know, once you, clumsy, once you unroll it and you put it where you want it, the color becomes lighter, but I'm sure it's just going to be really pretty. And we're coming to the end of this video. Bye.